Hello guys, so I hope that you're doing great during the quarantine. This is a video on how to make this model for the project simulation. So I'm gonna go step by step on how to design this in case you're stuck at it. So we start by creating a sketch, mini plane. Okay, so first I recommend you to always do your reference lines, or construction lines, for whenever you start dimensioning and constraining. It's easy. A reminder, you have to use millimeters as your units. And okay, so we're gonna start by looking at this section. So this is the first part, creating this first shape, and the way that I'm gonna design it is in this way. Okay, so you can stop the video and check for whatever data you may have. So first, this section, the way I'm gonna design it is just creating the half of it and then using the mirror tool. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna create a circle. This circle is gonna be 50 millimeters, and then an inner circle of 32. Now after this, I'm gonna create the outline, and it's just an approximation before doing any dimensioning. So as I recall, I just did the basic outline. Now we're gonna start creating the dimensions. So this is gonna be 45 millimeters. This is gonna be 10, 40, 35. You're here at 25, that's okay. From here to here, do 60. Let me put all the dimensions in place. Okay. Now, from here to here is gonna be 88. Almost done in here. So from here to here, this is gonna be 70. And now we're gonna create a fillet over here of 12 millimeters for this one. And then another one in this section, 12, 12. The cool thing here is that you can select this and this, and we're gonna put a coincident constraint. Okay. Then a fillet over here of 5 millimeters. Now remember, everything must have to be on black in order to be well defined. So we select this point with our reference in order to fix it. So everything is black. Oh, I forgot it here. Another fillet. Cool. So now we're able to create the complete section by mirroring it. So here you select this option, mirror, select all your components in here, just, well, deselect the circle, and then you select your mirror line. We're gonna use the reference line that we did previously. Do OK. Finish sketch, extrude, we select this profile, a distance of 10 millimeters. And then here, using the same sketch, we're gonna extrude this. In order to make the cylinder. So this is gonna be 48 millimeters. And then we can see it in here, okay? So we have this top section. So now we're gonna proceed and do this section over here, okay? So again, we select the top. Whenever you wanna create something straightly from surface, you select the surface, right click, create sketch, and then here again we create the reference lines. Reference line, and then there's a function over here in Fusion that allow you to project any line. So you click on the P button to project. So what you do here is project any line that you may have on a 3D body, whatever, and actually include it into your sketch without having to measuring or whatever. So I'm just selecting the bottom part of it. Okay. Then you click on OK. So as you can see, these lines are available if you want to not draw it again or whatever. You just project them. Now here, where we're gonna create is just this section over here, and then extrude it. So selecting line from this, it's under construction. From here, here, to here. And again, I'm gonna do half portion of it, of this section, and then just gonna mirror it. Okay, so dimensioning. So from this point to this point, it's gonna be 10 millimeters. From this point to this point, it's gonna be 10 also. And then a fillet 12. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna select mirror. select all those lines over here. The mirror line will be this one. And we see that we're able to use this profile. Now extruding this profile to 25 millimeters. And we can see that we have almost done the top section of it. So this section, right? Now we're gonna do the holes. So I select this surface, create sketch, just create circle, my reference lines. Okay. Now I'm gonna dimension. Okay. From here, here, here. Okay, now that you have it, again, mirror. Finish sketch, extrude, selecting this two, and just cutting through. Okay, so now we have the holes. So next we're gonna do the side sections of it, or the bottom section. So if you can see this section, it's at this surface. So we're gonna select this small surface in order to build down and then extrude. So let me show you. We select this section, create sketch. Again, we're gonna start by creating our reference lines here, here, and that's it. We're gonna create a circle. Then an inner circle. Dimension. This is 20. And this one is 38. After you do this, we're gonna combine all this and then start dimensioning. Okay. So from this to this is gonna be 56. And then in order to fix it, we do this and this coincident, and this under a tangent constraint. Okay, so now we have this. we can extrude it. I'm gonna do -90. And just to add a little bit of volume to the circle, using the same sketch, I'm gonna extrude just 2 millimeters. And then 2 millimeters on the other side. So now you see, right? We have this border over here. Now we start the final part, that is just cutting through this hole over here. It's really simple. We select this face over here. We do create sketch. Select a rectangle here. $70. From here to here. 35. Extrude. Cut. And then just the final step is just doing a fillet over here. Here. This one. 6 millimeters. Now, there you have it.